Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Pair. Looks like I'm dimly lit at the moment, but the star of the show is this cool little Magnavox standalone 8-track player. It was sent in by Scott from Sleephuis, Oregon. Scott says it was not changing tracks, and that turned out to be true, so now it changes tracks, so let's pop in some Neil Sedaka. And the lighting is a little tricky right now. Okay, make sure we got both speakers and switch tracks. You can just barely see that track light. Okay, we're at a blank spot there. Okay, at the end of a song, so we might be looking at an automatic track change coming up. I'm still not too familiar with how this. Yep, that was an automatic track change. So. Okay, and that's it. There's just not much to test on a standalone 8-track player that doesn't have any controls. It just gives a line level output to the stereo, and they control the volume and tone and all that through the receiver. So I will say this is a remarkably high quality unit on the inside. It's got a huge AC motor. These older units had AC motors. Nice preamp sections, nice bright sounding tape deck. So this is probably my last video for the day. So I'm getting ready to sit down in front of the TV after taking a quick shower, and I'll see you guys later. You guys know how to reach me, I'm sure, by now. Thank you very much, Scott, for your business from nearby Oregon, and we'll see you guys next time.